Payment. Big up to all of my fans and big up to everyone. Right now, me working on look joke there. Alright, big up to all of who are follow me. Start following me now. You understand? Who not follow me now. Big up to all of the fans them. Alright? Now we're gonna look a joke there. Last night rain fall. My mother beg me go over hello go buy something. Yeah, and me walk over there. And me I say, me see two chromas there. Pretty browning. You understand? Me just walk up towards them and say, baby, you look good night, you look so pretty. You understand? Look on your body, shape like a believer. You understand? You have a nice shape, babes. And hey, the girl, me no want to hug the man. You look on you too ugly, you feel like dump on me no want you at all. No, sir. You want to hear the next one? You have money? You $100. You $500 can't do nothing. So I'm going in my pocket and come up with these people. This I burst them and say the $100 US but back at it. All of them money of them see people. $100 US them and the $1,000 them. You want to hear the girl them OG, she say OG, hear it, you know so I sell yourself, I sell yourself buddy and here the girl, no sir, sorry, I said nobody. We can suck it with them with $4,000. You understand? It's before we get a blow jam and the story. I go. Oh fuck yeah, we fought towards that. I do 12 hours fuck yeah. Nice, fat pussy. I will get paid 4 grand. I bet the two girls that tell me that. Can I say, oh, me ugly, I don't want my money. You understand? Me ugly, I don't want my money. You understand? Oh, me, you don't want me, cause me ugly. You don't want my money. My money ugly like me. You understand? Yeah. He said, hey, the girl, please, I was broke, you know. And then, but boss for you, if you told her you can't get, all the girl that make me feel like and get told like that. And when she see those, when she see Kyle, but they say money change. Woman, me use this money. And yeah, the money girl, no want me. And just because of money, me just fuck them and cut left them. Fuck them, duck them. You understand? Just because of money. You understand? Now, brown pretty girl, my fuck already. She never want me at the first. But when she see my money, she wanted to put in a fair place. She don't do anything to get the money. So much. You find, you see, as long as you have money, you got your life. Remember that. As long as you have money, you got your life. Big up to all of my fans and everyone. Money is all evil, all evil. Money. Get pussy last night just because of money. Can't know. Big up to all of my fans.